Hi, Jonathan. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
I'd like you to kick us off with explaining a bit what we're doing together, AWS and Salesforce, especially in the telco domain using Communication Cloud.
Sure. So we see from our customers that they're really faced with a couple of interesting challenges. They have to increase their revenues, decrease their costs, and at the same time, they need to incorporate these new technologies. And so to do that, they need help. And that's where we together come in by providing them tools for automation and, more importantly, more recently, AI. And that has been for years predictive AI, machine learning based, but now we're seeing many more use cases of generative AI and doing new and different things for the service providers. And that's really where our partnership is so powerful, because we can now bring to our customers, the communication service providers, these new technologies that really enhance their operations and let them meet those objectives of increasing revenues, decreasing costs, and adopting new technologies.
Can you dive deep a bit on the revenue leakage challenge and opportunity?
Yeah, so this is a great one where together our teams had some really good successes in the last several months, looking at that problem of unpaid bills, or where the revenue is leaking out of the space. A huge problem for all service providers. They want to capture that revenue that they've contracted for. And so the capability that was developed with the teams to go and look at existing contracts, to look at unpaid bills, and analyze why was this bill not paid, what happened that we didn't capture that revenue.
Yes, I think this is one of the important use cases. We just developed an impact of up to 10% of the revenue for most of the telcos. What's next?
The sky's really the limit. There are so many different use cases. I mentioned, sales and service and marketing and fulfillment. But there's no limit to what we can do. I'm sure there's going to be people listening to this video that will dream up new opportunities. And that's really the power of AWS and Salesforce together, that we have that open ecosystem. We have the ability to extend and develop much beyond traditional use cases.
I'm really excited what the future holds. Thank you very much, Jonathan.